Hi, my name is Kassidie Chase and I'm going to be your EPIC teacher this year. I have about 13 years of experience from the public school system to tutoring to homeschooling my own children, so I'm really excited to get to work with you this year. I received your ACT scores, so we're going to go over them and kind of look at them together. Up here at the top are your scores for each subject. Your composite score was a 21. These purple lines are what your goals are. That's where you want to be. And the green lines below them are where you are. We are going to look at some of your lower scores to see what we can improve upon for you for next year. So 2 of the scores that I'm looking at are math and science, and we're going to focus on those, particularly math. Down here, we're going to look at some of the areas under math and under science and find where your weakest points are so we can grow upon that. So under math, statistics and probability was your lowest, and then under science, evaluation of models, inferences, and experimental results was also your lowest score. We're going to start with math. Math will not only help you raise your math score, but it will also help you raise your science score. So we're going to focus on that to begin with. What we're going to do when we meet is we are going to work on standards PA.D.1.1 and PA.D.1.2. Those are math standards in statistics and probability, data and probability as well. You will be able to understand that inserting or deleting data will impact the outcome. You're also going to be able to create a spreadsheet and use a calculator to create a scatter plot. The materials we're going to need for this are a calculator, a computer for video, die, paper, pencils, and pennies. To begin with, we're going to activate your prior knowledge. I need to know what you already know, so we don't spend time on something that you already know and you don't need to work on. So in order to do that, I'm going to have you answer 4 questions from Khan Academy. It's just a little quiz so that I can know where we really need to start. After that, we're going to watch a video to kind of introduce the lesson, to introduce you to what we're doing. It is the impact on mean and median, removing an outlier and introducing you to the lesson. After that, we'll move on to the actual activity. We're going to take die and we're going to roll it, and you are going to write the data down from the numbers that you roll each time. So first we're going to start with making a hypothesis. We're going to integrate that science into the math. You're going to ask yourself, which number do you think will occur most often? And then you'll write that down. After that, you'll roll the die 20 times and you're going to collect the data from the activity. Following that, you will use a calculator to make a scatter plot of the data, and we'll work together to create a big plot on paper using pennies for the data. After that, you will be asked to insert and delete data and explain the change in the scatter plot so that you can really see how taking data away or putting in new data is going to change your scatter plot, and you can visually see the change that has happened there. I'm very excited to get to work with you, and have a great day. Thank you very much.